center is a yoga and meditation center that offers a wide range of workshops, trainings and seminars from all kinds of teachers.
Taos is actually a space which we hold, and in this space you come and you meet your basic vibration.
What I love most about this place is the community vibe and the beauty of the island and how much this place really feeds my soul. What is really unique about this place is the variety of yoga spaces that are offered, from a really big spacious hall with beautiful soft tatami floor to a rooftop with an amazing view over the sea.
A restaurant is a place that his ambition is to make people happy. And this is what makes us happy, to see happy people eating happy food. For me, every good sushi chef is like a Zen master. Because without it, you cannot make sushi.
Every year in July we organize Taos Music Week, a week of live shows under the stars, where we bring musicians from all over the world to share with us their gifts and their music. And we dance and we celebrate, which is an important part of what Taos means.
The heartbeat of Taos is the meditation in all its forms. So here we want just to touch the source of who we are. And when we are there, there is only peace. And the magic is happening here because Taos is allowing meeting, allowing time, space, and tools that support a common ground between different people.
What we actually practice here in Taos is the ordinary, easygoing practice of awareness. It's not so big, it's not so heavy. And just reviving what you actually always knew. This vibrant energy of being happy and alive. This is what we try to stimulate here. While practicing awareness, of course, but in a very light and easy way. We awaken the memory that everyone has, how simple and happy life could be.
Taos is mainly and firstly a people place. we try to create the situation and the energy and the space that allow people and drive people to really deal with what's really important, which is not so many things.